Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot also overnight hit our key support area. I would have thought before that we might see a little bit more of a substantial B wave. That didn't happen, so it was a very, very shallow B wave, unfortunately, but it is what it is, and that shows you that B waves can be tricky sometimes. So I often say B waves are not really what I necessarily want to trade too much. Because they can be very short, they can also be very long, they are sometimes unpredictable, and they're corrective anyway. So for me at the moment, the view is that we've entered the support area for the wave 2, made an ABC here with a shallow B wave, possibly get one more low or two out of this, and I'm looking at possibly the 61.8 retracement at 563 or the 78.6 retracement at $5, but it shouldn't drop much more, and ideally not below $5, okay? As long as we hold above $5, the next rally can take us to $10 and beyond in a third wave. Could very well be that we start to see an out season shortly. If Bitcoin, Ethereum turn around, get whatever, a bounce in whatever capacity they can, because there's different possibilities how the bounce for Bitcoin, Ethereum can look like, as I explained in their videos. However, the altcoins, a lot of the altcoins should rally in a third wave, if my assumptions here are correct. And that would mean that a lot of altcoins next few weeks could outperform Bitcoin, Ethereum. At least the potential is there. So yeah, we rallied in a first wave. That's sort of the idea. We came down in a wave 2. I've highlighted the support area in orange because here with Polkadot, the move down, also time-wise for me, is not sufficient yet actually to complete the wave 2. So I'm a bit concerned about this one. So if I buy into this, which I might do, then I'll probably keep the position size fairly small, because this from there are clearer charts, there are less clear charts. Here for me, this is, don't want to say unclear, because we did move up in 5 waves. We're coming down in ABC, and we hit the support area as expected eventually. Yeah, but the thing is, don't really like the look of what's coming down there. But it's hit the area, and at some point, someone who wants to invest just needs to make the decision: do I buy or not? And this is the area that I've been waiting for here for a wave 2 low. And yeah, surely, I mean, this could take a little more, take a little bit more time. However, as always, when it reaches these support areas, we need to be ready for a turnaround and a possibly good reward to risk ratio here for a third wave to the upside. What would be the target for the third wave? So we measure the length of the wave 1, go to the low of the 2, and again, we are going to zoom into the micro level in a minute, but the low could already be in. If it is already in, which I don't think primarily, then we would reach 1167 as a minimum in this third wave to the upside. Now, if I'm zooming in a little bit further, go to the 30-minute chart, in this C wave to the downside, we could very much say that we have seen a wave 1, I think, yeah. Here a wave 2, and this could be a wave 1 of 3. Here the wave 2 of 3, the wave 3 of 3. So it's a little bit like Bitcoin, where we could see still further downside. 1, 2. This could still be the third wave. 4 and 5. Yeah, that this third still needs to be filled. Still, though, you can sometimes get very short C waves as well. And this is now the time, in my opinion, to start to carefully scale in. But I'm not telling you what to do. I might do that later or on the weekend, see how we develop on the weekend. I've already placed a few orders yesterday, as I said. Not for DOT yet, but yeah, it's a good reward to risk area in which we currently are. And sometimes patience pays off. Yeah, and this is still my expectation. And there is also no alternative. I mean, the only alternative that I would see here at the moment for Polkadot would be that it fails eventually to hold the $5 level, and then we are going to continue with a bear market. Then we have to assume that the move up was only corrective, and we're coming down quite impulsively here. And this will get much more likely, and the bears will get in control below $5. But the moment we're still quite far away from that, we're not doing anything that we didn't want. Yeah, it has hit the wave 2 support area, and anybody who missed any entries here before, because we had a few good entries for Polkadot on this channel, then this is now here possibly an additional opportunity. Yeah? They're also, you don't need to be concerned that you miss anything if you wait another couple of days or so, in my opinion. Surely these can rally out of the blue, but then if this really is a third wave to the upside, I mean, even if it from here makes a 10% to the upside, I mean, all you get to is maybe $6.60, $7. But the target for the third wave would be sort of $11 plus, right? So there's still a good way to go to the upside. Yet the only thing here why I highlight that in orange really also is, well, first of all, the structure, but also just the timing of it. And I mean, this move up started in December and it's just moved. So it's not even, the wave 2 here has not even lasted like 50% of the wave 1, yeah, by far not yet. So yeah, so maybe there's a little bit more sideways movement coming. We'll see, but either way, ideally, I would like it to reverse in above $5. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.